Hello everybody, welcome back to the iTunes fanboy. In this video I am going to be unboxing my iOS 12 iPhone XR which just arrived, which in case you're wondering I paid $140 for. And the story behind how I found this is that I was searching on eBay for an iPhone XR just to check prices because I want one for my collection and my birthday is coming up, so I wanted to see if I could put it on the list. So I just checked the prices and I found an iPhone XR, and I'll show a picture of the listing of it right now. And even though it's an average price and it is unfortunately cracked, it's not cracked badly. And I could tell it was running iOS 12 because it has the pink news icon, the old news icon from before iOS 12.2, I believe. So that obviously means that it's iOS 12, but also a super early version, which makes it even more exciting. And so without further ado, let's just go ahead and let's get into this, because this was right as iOS 12 and the iPhone XR and XS were right as I was really getting into the tech community. So as a result, that gives me a lot of nostalgia. Yes, I know this is not how you properly use scissors. This is packaged very well. And I messaged the seller and he said he wouldn't update it, so that's good. Okay, we have a bunch of newspaper. That's good. And now we have the actual phone itself, which we'll set to the side. And we have some comics. Okay, I'll set that to the side. Then we can go ahead and sell this packaging to the side and take a look at the actual phone. So let's take a look at this bubble wrap. And yes, this is a blue iPhone XR as advertised. See how badly this is cracked. Okay, this is definitely scuffed, and yes, there's a crack on the front, and a missing SIM tray, which I ordered, and this is not cracked on the back, just like what I thought, okay? But let's turn it on and see if it has any juice. All right, and it is turning on, everybody, which is good because I record all these unboxings so that way I can just make sure that these phones arrive as advertised, because I'll have video proof of these if they don't, so I can report them and get my money back. This is advertised, and yes, I can already tell this is an older version of iOS because this has the old icon. Yes, this is iOS 12, so I'll just go ahead and check the about page. And yeah, as you can tell, it's a 64 GB running 12.1.2. Nice. I don't think we're going to be updating this phone. We'll go ahead and check the battery health on this, and it's 100%. Okay, wow, that's pretty cool. Okay, this is a pretty cool phone overall. And so as always, thank you all for watching this video. I'm the iTunes fanboy, and as always, peace out.